In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vehicle lease in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a company fleet or simply tracking a single lease, keeping accurate records in QuickBooks is crucial for staying organized and ensuring your expenses are properly categorized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a dedicated account for your vehicle lease and record each payment with ease. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, open QuickBooks Online and locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is your settings menu. Click on it to reveal a variety of options. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. This section is where all your financial accounts are organized. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts screen, look for the New button in the top right corner and click it. This is where you'll create a new account specifically for your vehicle lease. When the form appears, start by entering a name for the account. It's best to use something clear and specific like vehicle lease so you can easily recognize it later. Next, you'll need to choose the account type. For a vehicle lease, select Other Expenses from the drop-down list. After that, set the detail type to Vehicle Lease. Both of these selections help QuickBooks categorize the account correctly. Once you've filled in these details, double-check that everything looks good, and then click Save to create the account. Now that the account is set up, let's record a payment. At the top left of the QuickBooks Online screen, click the New button. This opens a menu where you can choose the type of transaction you want to record. Depending on how you make the payment, you'll either select check or expense. With the payment type selected, carefully fill in the payment details. Enter the name of the payee. This is typically the leasing company, then select the bank account you're using for the payment. Make sure to input the correct payment date and the amount you paid. Next, scroll to the Category Details section. In the Category column, open the drop-down menu and select the vehicle lease account you just created. This ensures the payment is correctly linked to the vehicle lease account for accurate tracking. If needed, you can also add a memo to include extra details such as the vehicle's name or the payment period. This is optional, but it can be helpful for future reference. When everything is filled out, click Save to record the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a vehicle lease payment. To keep your records consistent, repeat this process for each lease payment you make, always using the vehicle lease account you set up earlier. If you want to keep everything even more organized, you can attach a copy of the lease statement to each transaction. This step is optional, but it can be useful for quick reference if you need to review the details later. And there you have it. You now know how to record a vehicle lease in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.